Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to assemble the mounted rolling laptop tray and projector card. Let's get started. First, unpack all the parts and lay them out on a clean, spacious surface. Make sure you have everything you need before beginning. Step 1. Attach the 4 caster wheels to the bottom of the card. Simply align each wheel with the pre-drilled holes and screw them in securely using the provided screws and a screwdriver. Step 2. Take the tray and slide it onto the card's upright poles, ensuring a snug fit. Once it's in position, locate the 2 bumpers and attach them to the top of the tray. These will prevent your laptop or projector from slipping off. Step 3. If your card comes with an attachment for a projector, now is the time to install it. Simply align the projector attachment with the pre-drilled holes on the card's poles and tighten the screws. Step 4. Lastly, now, we need to secure the tray by tightening the adjustable arm clamps. Find the clamps on each side of the tray and turn the screws clockwise until they're firmly tightened against the poles. Great job! You've successfully assembled the mounted rolling laptop tray and projector card. It's now ready for use in your home, office, or classroom. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to comment below or reach out to our customer support team. Thanks for watching our assembly guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful product tips and tricks. Happy projecting!